Hello everyone, I am Apurva Sheel. Here I am going to present on functionalism, which is a part of School of Psychology. So before we knowing about the School of Psychology, we should know about what is psychology. So I added this point on introduction. So it is very difficult to define the term psychology because of its wide scope and the philosophical differences among its practitioners. So, what is the meaning of psychology? The meaning of psychology has changed through ages, from science of soul to science of mind, and the science of behavior, and finally the science of consciousness. So here is my chapter planning. Chapter 1 is psychology as a science. Chapter 2 will be the School of Psychology. Chapter 3 will be functionalism. And chapter 4 will be contribution. So, in chapter 1, psychology was born as a formal science. Psychologists investigate science as a true scientific fashion, and the true science develops that our mind is revealed in observation and measurements. In chapter 2, the school systems and theories historically have been associated very closely. A system of psychology may be defined as an interpretation of data and theories with special assumptions, measurements, and the fundamental devices. Theory, schools, and systems have had a huge impact on psychology, and this school of psychology also helps us to develop our various strengths. In chapter 3, chapter 3 is functionalism. So the paradigm of functionalism was founded by William James. In his book, The Principle of Psychology, he presented mind is revealed in habits, knowledge, and perception and related to the environment. He gave importance to the interest in learning. Functionalism, as its name implies, it is the function of mental process including our consciousness. Hence, functionalism is the total relationship with the body to organism and with the environment. It is also include the adjustment with the environment. It can refer to the study how our mental process is operates. So, I want to give an example so that we can more clear about the functionalism. We can take the term hunger. Okay. So, feeling hungry is a sign that our body is required to food as a fuel. So, adaptive function signals us to eat when our body provides energy. So, here functionalism is effectively. So, finally, chapter 4 will be contribution. Functionalism has made significant contribution to the educational psychology and the child psychology, and it also contributes the child-centric learning. Thank you.